Nutrition for a healthy life. The importance of eating well. Good nutrition is essential for a healthy life. It plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy body and mind, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and improving overall quality of life. Unfortunately, many people overlook the importance of nutrition, and their health suffers as a result. In this article, we will explore the importance of good nutrition and provide some tips for maintaining a healthy diet. What is nutrition? Nutrition refers to the process of providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each of these nutrients plays a specific role in maintaining a healthy body. Carbohydrates provide energy to the body, proteins build and repair tissues. Fats help absorb vitamins and minerals regulate body processes, and water is essential for many bodily functions, including digestion, absorption, and transportation of nutrients. The importance of good nutrition. Good nutrition is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It can also improve your mood, increase your energy levels, and help you maintain a healthy weight. Eating a healthy diet can also improve your overall quality of life. You'll feel better, have more energy, and be able to enjoy all the activities that you love. Tips for maintaining a healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some tips to help you eat well and improve your health. Eat a variety of foods. Eating a variety of foods ensures that you get all the nutrients your body needs. Try to include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Try to limit your intake of processed foods and instead focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Watch your portion sizes. Overeating can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Pay attention to your portion sizes and try to eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for many bodily functions, including digestion, absorption, and transportation of nutrients. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Plan ahead. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute fast food or unhealthy snacks. Conclusion. Good nutrition is essential for a healthy life. Eating a variety of foods, limiting processed foods, watching your portion sizes, staying hydrated, and planning ahead can all help you maintain a healthy diet. By making small changes to your diet, you can improve your health and enjoy all the benefits of good nutrition. In addition to the tips mentioned above, there are other things you can do to ensure you are getting the most out of your nutrition. Read food labels. Food labels can provide valuable information about the nutritional content of the foods you're eating. Be sure to read labels and pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and nutrient content. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Nutrient-dense foods provide a lot of nutrition for the calories they contain. Examples include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks can add a lot of unnecessary calories to your diet. Instead, try to drink water, unsweetened tea, or other low-calorie beverages. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating and poor food choices later in the day. Try to eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day to maintain your energy levels and avoid unhealthy snacking. Get professional advice. If you're unsure about how to improve your diet or have specific health concerns, consider consulting a registered dietitian or nutritionist. They can provide personalized advice and help you create a nutrition plan that works for you. By following these tips and making small changes to your diet, you can improve your nutrition and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Remember, good nutrition is not just about what you eat, it's about the overall lifestyle choices you make. So, make healthy choices, stay active, and take care of your body and mind. Here are some additional tips for maintaining good nutrition. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals, as well as the taste, texture, and smell of your food. This can help you enjoy your food more and avoid overeating. Incorporate healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, can provide important nutrients and help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Choose lean proteins. Choosing lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and legumes, can help you meet your protein needs without consuming too much saturated fat. Experiment with new foods and flavors. Trying new foods and flavors can help keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and cuisines. Take supplements if necessary. While it's best to get your nutrients from whole foods, some people may need to take supplements to ensure they are getting enough of certain vitamins or minerals. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any supplements. Remember, good nutrition is a lifelong journey. It's important to make small, sustainable changes to your diet over time, rather than trying to make drastic changes all at once. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods and making healthy choices most of the time, you can achieve and maintain good nutrition and enjoy a healthy, fulfilling life.